Yoga is a spiritual practice. It has worked for me over the years and it has truly transformed me inside out. So the inspiration came for me to guide people on the path of yoga and spirituality in a hope that I can inspire them so that they can transform and connect with that light that exists within us.
I think it's really loaded with energy and it feels comfortable. So you feel right at home and that you can let yourself go, and it doesn't matter if you mess up or if you fall down or if something doesn't work or if you have any questions, any doubts, you're always welcome to ask and to discuss. Of course, we're concentrating on practicing and on the asanas and what we're doing, but Nabs manages to make it fun even while we're concentrating and working hard. And that's really nice because, yes, it's a retreat, but still we're on vacation, so it's good to have fun.
The environment is a great place. It's quite remote. It's not very touristy. It's calm and peaceful.
When I do Nabs yoga retreats, this is my family now. So I've been around yoga 40 years now, but I'm not disciplined yoga. I need a tribe. I need like-minded people around me. That gives me the strength to do what I need to do.
Yoga with Nabs is definitely a spiritual experience. When I'm doing my yoga, I really feel connected to that space and I really feel it's working on a deep level.
All of my major transformations for me happened when I was going on retreats. So my aim is here in beautiful Evia in Greece, on a beautiful island with high vibration and spiritual energy, we can create an environment for you to feel safe so that you can retreat within truly. With the practice and the daily traditional yoga, classical pranayama and powerful meditations, you will be guided through that. But also, most importantly, you have enough time to rest. So it has to be a balance between the hard work and real rest and relaxations, because in the combination of the two, that's where the true inner healing starts to manifest.